When a person enters a fight or a highly stressful confrontation, one of the most common reactions is that the body starts shaking. Hands tremble, legs feel weak, the voice may quiver, and the heart begins to beat rapidly. Many people think this shaking is a sign of weakness, fear, or lack of courage. But in reality, it is something much deeper and more powerful. It is a biological survival response built inside every human being. When the brain senses danger, a small but powerful part of it called the amygdala becomes active. The amygdala is responsible for detecting threats. It does not wait for logic or careful thinking. The moment it senses danger, whether real or imagined, it sends an emergency signal to the body. That signal activates the fight or flight system. At that moment, the body releases powerful stress hormones such as adrenaline and cortisol. Adrenaline increases heart rate, raises blood pressure, and sends extra blood to the muscles. Cortisol keeps the body alert and focused. Together, these chemicals prepare the body to either fight the threat or run away from it. Now here is where the shaking begins. When adrenaline floods the bloodstream, the muscles receive more energy than usual. The body is preparing for sudden action, punching, running, pushing, or defending. But if that energy is not immediately used, it builds up inside the muscles. That extra energy creates muscle tremors. So the shaking is not weakness. It is stored power waiting to be released. Another reason for shaking is fear. Fear activates the nervous system. When fear becomes intense, breathing becomes faster and shallower. This can change oxygen and carbon dioxide levels in the body, which may cause dizziness and trembling. It is the body trying to regulate itself under pressure. Sometimes shaking also happens because of emotional overload. During a fight, emotions like anger, humiliation, shock, or anxiety can mix together. The nervous system becomes overstimulated. When stimulation becomes too high, the body expresses it physically through shaking. There is also something important to understand. Shaking can be a sign that your survival system is working correctly. Soldiers, athletes, and even trained fighters experience shaking before combat or competition. It is not about bravery. It is about biology. The body is switching from calm mode to survival mode. Interestingly, shaking can continue even after the fight ends. This is because adrenaline does not disappear instantly. It takes time for hormone levels to return to normal. During this period, the body releases leftover tension through trembling. In some animals, after escaping a predator, they shake their bodies intensely to release stress energy. Humans experience something similar. However, if shaking becomes extreme, uncontrollable, or happens frequently even without real danger, it may indicate chronic anxiety or a panic disorder. In such cases, the nervous system becomes oversensitive. Professional guidance from a doctor